opening up through conversations. And I think all of the campers here really try their best to engage, to ask questions, to tell their stories without any pretension. At yun yung pinakabumuhay sa Season 3. Kaya, I guess, sana matutunan ng ating audience na lahat ay nagsisimula hindi lang sa physical na katangian. Yes, merong mga types, pero na-overcome kasi siya once you get to know the camper or the person deeper. It is through conversations that we're trying to really get to know the core, the values, and the things that make an individual really beautiful and attractive. So yun yung dapat nating abangan kung paano yung pag-usad ng conversations at pagbuo ng spark throughout the season.